having balancing issues, falling to the left and falling forward. Problem. You get this? Hello, follow me. Where are you? Hello? You paused. The image just stopped. I'm gonna stop you and do it again. No, I'm sorry, YouTube, I'm waiting. I know you stopped working. I chose to wait as opposed to report or quit or say okay. Let me go check another website. No, I'm still gonna wait. You know, let me check another website. I need to find out some forms I have to fill out. Yeah, Opera would be good. Private, I don't really give a shit. I think it's called Victim of Crime, LA County or California. And there are no statute of limitations. You just want to check it out? Search it, find it, PDF, download it. A fuck up could do it. Put your hands down. Rhetorical question. Rhetorical comment. Los Angeles County Government. Duh! Victims. Perfect. I'll go for that one. I'm just district attorney. Well, actually, I know. I'm the assistant district attorney. Oh, no, I know. I met him. We sat on opposite sides of the court. And that's just the other cell phone going on. So the music is just going from one recording to another. Going underneath it, I don't know what the added weight is because, of course, we're talking Freon and compressors. The compressor had been switched. That's why the 80-something pound model that I bought can be lifted at me and which actually it's 40 pounds. So I remember putting the RCA air conditioner on a diet. And constantly switching pieces of shit around here, because that's how things break. And of course, they break because I use them. So that would be the hand mixer, the grinder, electric knife, heater, floor vacuum, shampooer, washer, the vacuum cleaner, the dust buster, Costco, Kaplan pot, which happened to get bent because he wanted to switch with a bent one that they got it somewhere, probably a nickel. The pressure cooker, alright, you name it, the Keurig coffee maker, the Mr. Coffee Maker, you name an appliance, it's been switched, downsized, broken. If it's not broken yet, that wire is so thin on the microwave or on a lamp that Charlotte's travel blow dryer, 1500 watts. That woman traveled fucking everywhere, and you know how thick her hair is. Alright, so it took her 25 minutes to blow dry that head of hair. Never blew. I have what? 5 hairs on my head. I blow dry my body hair, which is what, a total of 7 minutes. Alright, they've downsized that short circuit function that hair dryer has to the point where that thing started frying and melted a plastic chair that belongs to the Skidrow Housing Trust. Wow. Gotta slow down because you won't understand the word. I'm sure it'll be so choppy that when they hack into it, it'll be so easy for them to just eliminate most of it. I have to look for the photos that I wanted to post on the gas lit at the Dewey. Yeah, so it's not just the lamp that's been thinned down by the cord. My art wire sculpture that holds another lamp on the furnace. You know, that kind of creative shit that I do. And what else was there? It's okay. It'll come to me. I can look at anything at any glance and tell you what's been changed, how many times, what condition is it now, and when will it die. The air conditioner, off balance, changed so many times in the past 48 hours, 72 hours. The coaster wheels require 4 screws at the bottom, where my front right one came off, quote unquote, because they fucked up, because it doesn't fit the other model, I don't think. Something's weird about it. So therefore, break it, this way they don't have to worry about replacing a coaster wheel that doesn't work, and so it's a screw up and looks like, similar to, not exactly the same, can you tell the difference? Is it really? The latest abnormality here, dysfunction, is now that there are 3 coaster wheels left now, as opposed to 4. The left 2, front and back, which handle the weight of the compressor and the freon, are missing, I think, at least 1 screw. So now we have a coaster that requires 4 screws, where more than 1 is missing. The screws screw into a plastic bottom shelf that holds the unit, which I was going to do the MIT or Caltech thing today about polycarbons, because it's a simple formula. Somebody has a sun lamp, it's in there toasting away. The plastic is all brittle. Right now, if I took the dustbuster shell and dropped it, it would crack like a Christmas ornament. Shatter like a Christmas ornament. Anyway, so we're talking the coasters on the RCA air conditioner. God knows what the screws are grabbing into, that's how many times they've been screwing on screws. So it's not going to grab onto anymore. The thickness of the plastic is affecting the screw itself. And guess what? The unit should be my house, my possession, my usage. It tips over and falls off the milk crate. No one did anything there, I guess. You were using it, you weren't paying attention, it fell. On record, but I can't do on record YouTube because I was stopped. Yeah, I think I can just do a mini recording and I'll just post it to YouTube. Thank you. Bye. speaker. Exciting honorable respecting. Okay?